Congratulations to Mars for 30 years. Hi, everyone. I'm Doug Box. Today I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the Mid-Atlantic Regional Photography School, we all know as Mars, on an incredible 30 years of educating and inspiring professional photographers. I've been truly honored to be part of the Mars family for 5 wonderful years as an instructor. Those 5 years have been some of the most rewarding in my career. It has been my privilege to know and work alongside some of the most talented and dedicated photographers I've ever met. Being part of Mars has been fun, exciting, and deeply rewarding. It's been a genuine privilege to contribute to a 30-year tradition that continues to thrive as one of the few remaining week-long PPFA affiliated photography schools still operating today. In my time there, I've made so many meaningful connections and formed lasting friendships with incredible professionals. Students who became colleagues, fellow instructors, and the visionary leaders who kept Mars strong year after year. And I'll never forget the year that my son was in a terrible accident and I got the word Thursday night at the banquet. There was so much love given to me at that point in my life that I will never forget you guys. And let me be honest, Mars knows how to do it right. The food was always fantastic. The shooting locations were stunning. The places to photograph were inspiring. And those evening parties, well, they were legendary. So here's to Mars. Congratulations on a remarkable 30 years. Thank you for the memories, the friendships, the growth, and for continuing to elevate the craft of professional photography. Here's to many more years of excellence, creativity, and community. I'm proud to have been a small part of your story, and I can't wait to see what the next 30 years bring. Thank you, Mars.